Okay, so this is my Piktochart, and so I try to do a lot of different things with it, and as you can see, it's about Anne Frank, so it's about what my Prezi is about, and so I just use simple pictures just to describe where she was born, then she moved from Germany to the Netherlands, and then I added videos in here, and you can just, when it's published, you can click on the video, but since I'm in edit mode, it won't let me watch it. But then I have just different facts where she lived and where she went into hiding, and then I have maps that show where the Anne Frank house was, where she the annex was, and then I have the diary, and then down here I have where the 2 concentration camps where she mainly spent where she was sent for a majority of the time when she went to a concentration camp. And then I have another video that's just basically a brief overview of the whole thing. So yeah, once you publish it, you can click on the videos and watch it, but you can't do it since I'm in edit mode right now. So yeah, but thanks for watching.